Hi lovelies, so before we are getting into the satin silky nail and the meadow nail, I am just doing a little unboxing of the most prettiest chromes from Nailed It by Chelsea and the little chrome buffer. Sorry if you can hear the aircon, but I think you can all understand your girl here is just melting, so I'm not turning it off for the voiceover, I'm afraid. If you don't like it, just watch it on mute. Just watch the video. Look at that though, that's Sully. Oh, turquoise is just my thing. I think that's blue, so that's like a really nice silvery bluey, bluey silvery. Oh, they are so pretty. So pretty. Look how cute the packaging is. Little sticker, little prints. Right, straight into it. So, we're using Builder Gel. We've just got a black base, and we are going to just dot on Builder Gel in a swirly, almost like a ribbon going down the nail. And then I'm just doing random bits going out of it, so it's just sort of trying to make the pattern that a crumpled silk sheet would make. So, and then we're gonna chrome that with blue from Nailed It by Chelsea. Honestly, this chrome buffer thing, it applies it's like butter. It's so nice. So yeah, you can see the sort of pattern we've made, I hope, just with clear Builder Gel. So we're going to go over that with a no wipe top coat so we can do the chrome magic. Honestly, when I saw these nails going about, I thought this was going to be so difficult, but excuse me, it is so easy to do. I'm thinking I might make myself a turquoise one. But yeah, no, the chrome is going on. Chrome. It just went on like a dream. Honestly, I've never known it just apply so easy. Who knew? Who knew? Yeah. I hope everybody's doing well, and hating this summer as much as me. I'm going to use Dime Nails Cherry Jelly Gel Polish. Jelly gel. Really deep cherry colour. Oh, perfect. If I didn't mention this was part of these two nails that we're doing. It was part of my Twilight set that I wore last year, which I plan to wear again this year. Beauty of press-ons once again. Oh, look at that prettiness. Oh. So now we're going to go in again with the Builder Gel to fill it in, essentially, because we've sort of created the texture, so we've created the look, and now we just need to fill it in, because obviously we don't want it bumpy. It needs to look, smooth, filled in, voila. And then we're going to buff any bumps away, and re-go over it with just a normal no wipe top coat. Oh, here's the magic. Look at how, ooh, does that not look like a silk, sheet, pillowcase, whatever you want to call it, pajamas? I don't know what you want to wear, silk, but yeah, I did love that nail. I look forward to wearing that again. Ooh, I hope that was easy to follow. Next up is the beautiful, pretty Bella and Edward's Meadow nail. So we're just starting with like a green base. We're dotting in some dark green just for like texture, like grass, flower stems. So like this isn't too like, I'd say it's more like abstracty rather than like detailed. So it's just like dotting a lot of colour about. So we're going in with the lighter colour for the big sort of flower. Get on the screen, Christy. So we're just drawing like the base of the flowers, the light coloured, and then we basically just keep going in with darker. I always find florals like this sort of really simple but quite effective. So yeah, we're just dotting it about, trying not to go off screen. Apologies. Yeah, I hope everyone's hating this summer as much as me, because honestly, I am ready for autumn already. Ugh. Honestly, if you haven't purchased yourself an aircon, just do it. Do it. I am so, like, this the best purchase we've ever made. We bought it like 2 years ago when I was pregnant with my little boy, and best purchase ever. We had to buy one for his room this year because, it stresses me out trying to work out, like, what sleep bag should he be in? What temperature is it? Blah, 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 blah. Too hot. The stuff I worry about these days, so much different to, like, 3 years ago. So, yeah, we've gone in with a darker colour, and then we're going to go in with a darker colour again. Just see how we're just dotting it in the bottom of the flowers that we've created there. So you can see it's just like a really quite simple but effective, abstracty, floral, pretty nail. As floral as I'm going to get on my nails, because I'm not a floral girl. So even darker once again. And then just try and sort of like blend in, like, with like nothing on your brush, like just sort of feather it in. So we're just like, doing the shading. Voila. Oh, yeah. See, I'm not a flower girl, but I did like this nail, I must admit, but I love Twilight, so yeah. So now we're going in again, doing the stems with that dark green, just to sort of like darken them up, show where they were coming in, like not super like stand out-ish, still to sort of like blend in the background, but yeah. I'm hoping to get this up soon would be nice. There's just so much to do all the time. Anyway, we shall top coat, and I will give you a quick peek of my finished Twilight set with these two in the middle. Let me know in the comments which nails you like best. That one says let's start with forever. If you know, you know. There's a little moonstone nail there. Didn't quite go how I wanted it really, but yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.